This is a Makita router I have right now. So I had this one for about an year, barely used, but I thought of showing you what's inside box. And so this is a kit. So it has this paperwork and comes with this edge guide. And obviously router, and it comes with this really nice router base. This is the router, and also comes with these two wrenches to remove the collet. So this is the router. This comes with two different bases. This is this used for trimming. So it comes with a 1/4 inch collet. So, this is the model number. And, it has a variable speed. We can adjust the cut depth here. So first you unlock this one, then can rotate this knob up and down. Like that, and adjust the depth very easily. So we can remove this one and use with this base as a plunge router. So to do that, you unlock this from here and put the router like this. So there's this indent here, so it should align with this little detent thing here. It goes like this, then you lock it like this. So here it comes with this small protector, and it has this really nice depth gauges. You can rotate this one and have 3 different depth gauges. You can adjust the depth with this screw thingy as well. So the depth gauge works like this. So once you can push down, so that's the plunge action. So it hits with one of these screws here. So you can have 3 different depth stops very easily. Also this comes with this edge guide. So it goes with this base. So you simply unscrew this and, right here and tighten the screw. So when you are trimming an edge, this goes like this. So you can adjust this fence like this. So looks like this. All these adjustments are aluminium. So this gear wheel here is aluminium. This base most part is aluminium. So this plank base is a really nicely built one. It's also built, I think it's some kind of alloy, magnesium alloy. So very solid, very heavy, very good build quality.